These 7 AI tools will make you rich. While the idea of using AI tools to make money is enticing, it's important to approach such claims with a critical mindset. AI tools can certainly enhance business operations and potentially increase profitability, but they are not a guaranteed path to becoming rich overnight. Success in business requires careful planning, execution, and a solid understanding of market dynamics. Here are 7 AI tools that have the potential to contribute to business success. Before starting the video, I want to tell you about a great AI tool. Experience design innovation like never before with Designs.ai. Harness the cutting-edge power of AI to take your creative projects to new heights. Generate breathtaking logos, graphics, and personalized brand identities with ease, all in one comprehensive platform. Elevate your designs and captivate your audience effortlessly with Designs.ai's visionary AI capabilities. Check the video description for the link. Thank you. Automated marketing platforms. AI-powered marketing tools can analyze consumer behavior, optimize campaigns, and personalize content, leading to better engagement and potentially increased sales. Algorithmic trading software. AI-driven trading tools can analyze market trends and execute trades based on complex algorithms, potentially generating profits in the financial markets. E-commerce recommendation engines. These tools use AI to analyze user preferences and behaviors, recommending products that align with individual customer interests and driving higher sales. Real estate price prediction tools. AI can analyze historical and current real estate data to predict property prices, helping investors make informed decisions about buying and selling properties. Content monetization platforms. AI-powered content platforms can help creators optimize their content for maximum reach and monetization, especially on platforms like YouTube and other streaming services. Healthcare diagnostics tools. AI-based diagnostic tools can analyze medical images and data to assist healthcare professionals in accurate disease detection and treatment planning. Automated customer support systems. AI-driven customer support systems can handle routine inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide quick responses, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty.